Well, what up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking that play button. This is going to be a short video. I just got my new iPhone 14 in the mail. Finally, my iPhone 12 camera started going bad. The speaker up top is going bad. Here it is. And I've got a new case, and it comes with, it's really cool, it's a kit. This is it right here. And this comes with 1, 2 and 3 screen protectors. I'm going to use this one, and wipes, which is really cool, and a clear case right here. So let me go ahead and open the new iPhone, and let's see. There is nothing better than, there we go, getting a new iPhone or unboxing one. That's the top, that's the bottom. I'm really excited for this, you guys. And moment of truth, that's my computer, the one I edit on. We're gonna upgrade this in the future. My Ferrari hat, all just my table right here. And bam, there we go. Alright, so let me go ahead. That's my old iPhone 12, by the way. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. It just dropped a couple of times, but the screen's been the back glass never been shattered, the front glass never been shattered. This just doesn't work on the speaker and my camera. This is me and Daily Driven Exotics up in California. That was like 3 years ago. So let me go ahead and put the case on, the screen protector on, and I will see you guys there. Let me just give you guys. Well, I did put the screen protector on and the case. Look how it looks. It looks absolutely phenomenal, and I really do love this clear case. It's really cool. And there you go. Let me set it up and I'll show you guys. Alright you guys, well, I'm setting stuff up so far, but man, it already, even the feel, the screen is already better. Everything is better. So even like when you type the buttons, the sound is already different, and it's I can feel like it's already better. Since this one's loading, this is what comes in the packet. It says you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. For more information, go to apple.com/eSIM. Interesting. Okay, that's number one. Number two, that's just some Apple stuff before using, and safety features. And my favorite, obviously, which everybody loves, the Apple sticker. And you get a wireless charging wire. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I'm going to use that because I think I'm going to put that here, or actually maybe in the vet, because I already have one here, you guys. So that will come in handy, maybe in the vet, maybe here, we'll see. But that's it, really comes in the box. So waiting for restore for iCloud, and I'll show you guys the screen. Should be the same as this one. That's why I like iCloud, because it moves everything to this one, to the new one. Pretty simple. I like how Apple keeps it clean and simple and classy, and even the design, you know, not crazy difference. Similar, which that's what I like. We don't like huge jumps. You can do every between 3-4 phones, big jump, but I really do like pretty much the same but improved. The screen is better, battery life is better, you know, everything is better. So just waiting on this now. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, I got the purple one. If you guys already saw, I love the purple, matches the vet. It's light purple, you know, and I do really like that light color. It's just way improved over the iPhone 12, which is I'm trading in right now. Way faster, longer battery life. Every single aspect in the phone is just improved, which that's what I liked. And they kept a very similar design to the iPhone 12. So that's plus, thumbs up from me. I like it. And other than that, you guys, please subscribe down below. Hit that thumbs up button, really helps me out, helps my channel as well. It's free. Comment what you think if you're getting one, and what color if you got one. That's just a quick little review. The videos, because I do film on my camera, which I'm filming on right now, G7X Mark II, and the iPhone, so this will be even way better than that one. And other than that, that's all I got. I will see you guys on the next one in another car or mod video. Peace.